Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix file boot BCD error code in MBR or BIOS Partition 1. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Type Diskpart. Type list space, disk. No star under GPT indicates the partition is MBR or BIOS partition. Type BCD edit. Boot drive is C drive and Windows installed drive is D drive. Type BCD edit space, / export space, /BCD backup. Type attrib /boot /BCD space, -H space, -R space, -S. Type ren space, /boot /BCD space, BCD11.old. Type bootrec space, /RebuildBCD. Type BCD boot d /Windows space, /S space, space, /F space, BIOS. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.